What's the scariest thing about being a woman? There's a long-standing stigma of women being overly dramatic and medical professionals dismissing their pain or discomfort. I had several friends of varying ages who were misdiagnosed or ignored because the doctors assumed it was a pregnancy or period-related problem. My big sister kept getting told she had fatigue, and when she got proper tests done, she had kidney and lung cancer. Meanwhile, my older brother went to the doctor for what was essentially heartburn and got every test under the sun to diagnose it.